Hello fam, and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're doing good. I'm going to share this recipe with you. This is a beautiful soup recipe with fish. This is a medicine. If you have anyone that is sick around you right now that is going through any kind of feverish condition like flu, like malaria, or whatsoever fever condition, stay tuned and let's do it. So here is our fish, guys. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up nicely. Chop the fish to the size of my choice so we can get started. Stay tuned and enjoy. This is fresh fish pepper soup for my husband's sinuses. I'm going to make it like a medicine, but I'll show you every item that is going into this pepper soup. Okay? Fish pepper soup, fish light soup, whatever you want to call it. Stay tuned, guys. Going in with Scotch bonnet peppers. You can choose to go in with Scotch bonnet. You can choose to go in with any pepper of your choice, but I choose to go in with Scotch bonnet. I'll show you everything one at a time. I can go in with tomatoes. Yes, I'm going to be adding tomatoes to this fish pepper soup. So guys, this pepper is called shombo. It can be called tatache. It can be called paprika. All right. Going in with chili pepper. This is my chili jalapeno pepper. Okay, we are going in with lemon. We are also going in with lime, and here is the almighty turmeric. We are going in with ginger. We are going in with garlic. So here is my green cardamom. I'm going in with green cardamom. I'm also going in with black cardamom. I'm going in with ehuru, which is called traditional nutmeg. I'm going in with mkpuruzuza, which is called black peppercorn. I'm going in with uda. If you know the English name, you can remind me on the comment section. I'm also going to be adding star anise. And we are going in with cloves, very important in this soup. So these are medicine that will be going into this soup recipe. Stay tuned as I blend everything together. So go ahead, add everything into your blender. You can also add your onion. Make sure not to forget your onion. So this is my onion. Go in with your onion like so. Add enough if you have enough. So looking at all of these spices that has gone in for blending, whatever you don't want, you can skip. If you don't want to add pepper, that's your choice. Add water to your blender if you need to add water in your blender. Let us blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend until it is very, very smooth. Go ahead and cut your fish into any size of your choice. This is what I did. Okay, all you need to do is take off all of these things. They are very important to be taken off. I see some people leaving it in their fish. Anyway, I think it's by choice. If you like to leave those things, that's your choice, but I like to get all of them out so I don't have to trouble whoever I'm making the soup. I don't like seeing fish and I see the fins and all of those things that needed to be taken out from the fish. I will not be able to eat the fish, so it's depending on what you like. So in this pot we have our hot water. Let's see if it's boiled. Yeah, we're going to add the fish. Make sure your water is boiling this way. And then all you need to do is to go in with the fish. So this is our fish. This is what our fish is looking like. We're going to add it to the boiling water. Drop your fishes into the boiling water like so. So guys, I'm going to give you this tip right quick and trick of how to make your fish pepper soup. It's always advisable to boil your water very well before you add in your fish, so that way you don't get to smell that ugly smell of fish, if that makes sense. Okay, so guys, I reduced the water. Go in with all the blended herbs. You can add more water, okay? I added some fresh pepper. You can go ahead and add more if you want. Now you can add your salt, your Maggi, and whatever you want to add. This doesn't take but 10 minutes. We're going to go in with our Maggi seasoning. You can go ahead and add any Maggi seasoning of your choice, okay? Let's go in with our salt. Add your salt like so. Cover it to come to a boil. Let the peppers and all the herbs and the fishes get to know each other, and then we'll add the last stuffs, which are the herbs, the leaves that will really help you. It will help your immune system. If you have sinuses, if you have fever, if you have malaria, typhoid, if you have inflammatory situation, you have joint pain, you have headaches, you have bloated stomach, running stomach, you have cold, you have flu, whatever you call it, this is a very good medicine. It will help you and it will cleanse you. It's a kind of detox, trust me. It's going to help you really, really good. I'll show you all the leaves that are going in here. Stay tuned. So here is my basil. You know what basil does. If you don't know, search these things up. All right, we're going in with basil. Here is my scent leaf, nchon leaf. I'm sure you all know it. People from Nigeria, this is nchon leaf. You can go in with this. All of these are very medicinal. I remember when we were kids, when we were having stomach issue, my mom would go ahead and make a very light soup with this nchon leaf and some other leaves. She will give it to us. Before you know it, we are fine. If you have taken this while growing up, let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, so here is the next item, bitter leaves. You know what bitter leaves will do for you, for your bones. With bitter leaves, I can go on and on and on. Bitter leaves will help you really good. It will help you for arthritis. A lot of people don't know bitter leaves helps for arthritis. Honestly, if you drink bitter leaf early in the morning without anything, you will come back to say thank you. Guys, it was almost overboiling, like going to start pouring on my gas. And I can't go through all that stress, trust me. I cannot. Wow, I got this so quick. I got this so quick. Everything would have splashed everywhere, so I had to open it up. Look at that. Whoops, the medicine is ready. I'm going to add all these leaves and you will see everything will come out nicely. Look at how fresh my basil is looking. And I got this from my garden. I also got this scent leaf from my garden. Look at all the scent leaf I got. Look at that. All of these are my produce and I'm so grateful to God. And I'm encouraging you here, if you're watching me, go and start making your own little garden. It doesn't matter if you have a small backyard. Yeah, you can still make your own little garden with your little rubbers here and there. You can, yeah. So I am so privileged that I got all of this from my garden. This is bitter leaf. I got a lot of bitter leaf in my garden. So I feel good when I go to my backyard and get these things. So this is avocado leaves. All of this does a lot. This is mango leaves. It's going into this pepper soup also. And here is lemon and lime. We are also adding it to this soup. All of these are going to come together to give my husband the best healing for sinuses, for inflammation, for pains, headache, and so on. Another thing this light soup will do for you is to help you if you have problem with sleeping. Yes, if you're using machine to sleep for sleep apnea situation, this will help you a lot. Here's my scent leaf. This is how I've gone ahead to chop it. So here's my bitter leaves. Here are my basil. Here's the mango leaf. Here's avocado leaf. And here's the lemon and lime. Add it in, allow it to cook for just about 60 seconds and this medicine is ready. If you have watched till this moment, I want to really appreciate you. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. I hope you're going to try this for your loved ones. Honestly, you will come back to say thank you, Gucci's Kitchen, for teaching us all of this. A lot of people will pay me so much to learn all of these things, but I bring these things to you guys free of charge just because I want to help people. All right, a lot will collect money for consultation, a lot will collect money to show you, to share with you, but I do everything free of charge. So you can send your blessings if you love what Gucci's is doing. Join my membership. Bless this kitchen. God will bless you. Thank you for staying. So guys, come and eat. I'm going to dish for my husband right quick because he's waiting for this soup. I encourage you guys, take care of your husband, take care of your children, take care of your family, friends, and loved ones the best way that you can. Make your kitchen memorable that your family can never forget. The water is a real thing. Can you see how light it's looking? Yeah, that water is the medicine. Oh yes, with the turmeric, ginger, garlic, and all of those things. That is where the medicine is. Heat will come out of your body. When the heat starts coming out from your body, that's how you start recuperating. Go home and find out from our fathers and our mothers. They will tell you how things like this will heal you faster than English medicine. Yes, guys. And remember that all the English tablets we are taking are made out of all of these herbs. Yes. I don't bring you recipes that have not been confirmed. I show you things that you will try and come back to see.